Hello, students.
Today we will learn fish names from A to Z. Let's start. For angelfish. B for basking shark. C for clownfish. D for dolphin. E for Emperor Angelfish. F for flying fish. G for goldfish. H for hammerhead shark. I for icefish. J for John Dory. K for koi. L for Leafy Seadragon. M for mackerel. N for needlefish. O for octopus. P for puffer. Q for Queen Loach. R for ray. S for Siamese Fighting.
T for tuna.
U for Uaru. V for Viperfish. W for whale shark. X for Xiphactinus gladius. I for Yellow Tang. Z for zebrafish.